Running water is a natural phenomenon characterized by the continuous flow of water in a river, stream, or any water body. The movement of water in a running water system is influenced by gravity, topography, and the volume of water present. The sounds of running water is often described as soothing and calming, creating a sense of tranquility and relaxation for those who listen to it. The movement of running waters plays a vital role in shaping the Earth's landscape through erosion and sediment transport. It is support various ecosystems by providing habitat for aquatic plants and animals. The clarity and purity of running water are essential for sustaining life and maintaining ecological balance in freshwater environments. People often seek out the sight and sounds of running water for recreational activities such as hiking, camping, or simply enjoying the peaceful ambience it creates. The gentle flow of running water is not only the source of natural beauty, but also a symbol of renewal, vitality, and a timeless flow of life.